My name is Nebiyu Abtew Habtemariam. I came from Ethiopia, and I'm a Britts Imperial University College student studying BBA in Data Science and AI. And I came here to talk to you about on June 5th, 2022 as we all know, is the Environment Day. And as an Environment Day is celebrating our Earth and the environment, we are appreciating what we take granted for. As you see, all around me is like our environment, and taking that and sharing it to the next generation is our responsibility. And how can we do it? Okay, talking to speaking what I'm gonna, I speaking what I do is I try to recycle things that I used. Try to use plastics more than 3 times. Plastic bags, especially plastic bags. Bottles are have a cap for a reason. You can use them all over again. And recyclation is the most underrated system that has ever come in the 21st century. And moreover, and whenever you have water in your bottle, try to spill it on a soil rather than concrete or plants, you know. And for others who would like to start this initiative, whenever you go to the beach, try to watch out for plastics and try to take public transportations, because a single bus could take 200 people, while a single car can take only 5 people. And the emission per person is very low. And I recommend using public transportation, recycling, and taking walks, even for your health. Okay, that's it. Thank you.